Good morning students. Now today we are going to discuss the topic sonar. The full form of sonar is sound navigation and ranging. It works on the principle of reflection of sound. So what is the full form of sonar? Sound navigation and ranging. Sonar works on the principle of reflection of sound. Now what is sonar? Sonar is a device that uses ultrasonic waves. Sonar is a device that uses ultrasonic waves to measure distance, direction and speed of the underwater objects. Underwater objects means that is submarines, icebergs, etc. So what is sonar? Sonar is a device which uses ultrasonic waves to find out the depth of a sea or ocean, or it is also used to measure the distance, direction and underwater objects. Now how sonar is used? Suppose this is a sea, inside the ship there are one transmitter. This is the transmitter and this is the detector. Transmitter and this is a detector or receiver. I suppose here this is the sea bed, that is the bottom of the sea, and here water is there. So here this is the sea bed. Here sea bed, bottom of the sea. So here transmitter are used to produce ultrasonic waves, and that ultrasonic waves moves towards the seabed, and after striking the seabed it reflected back and received by the detector. Suppose the distance travelled by the ultrasonic waves from transmitter to seabed is d and reflected back, then it travels the distance d, which is received by the detector. Now let T is equal to, that is T with the time interval between transmission and reception of the ultrasound, and let V be the speed of sound under sea water. So how would you calculate the depth of a sea? Suppose here let T be the time interval between transmission and reception of the ultrasound, and V be the speed of the sound under sea water. Then all of you know the formula, that is distance traveled by ultrasound, that is 2D, and distance is equal to speed into time. So here speed into time. So here 2D is equal to, speed is here let V and time is T. So D is equal to Vt by 2. What is D? That is depth of the sea. So in this formula, if you know the speed of sound in water, that is approximately 1480 meter per second. If you know the time, then we can easily calculate the depth of a sea. Thank you.